we're going to install our fuel tank skid plate. First, if you have a TRD Off-Road, you need to remove the 4 nuts holding on your factory plastic skid plate. Take those off with a 12mm and remove the skid. Now we're going to install our gas tank skid. Lifting it up with a floor jack or a friend, align the 4 12mm studs with the holes in the gas tank. This is a plastic gas tank that is a little bit flexible, so you may have to work catty corners, tightening the nuts to get everything to line up and go, but with a little bit of help, everything goes right in. Install your 4 nuts, tighten them down, your installation is complete. If you do not have a TRD Off-Road model, you will need to swap out your tank straps. There is a 12mm bolt on the outside of the truck and a pin with a cotter pin near the center of the truck. Taking a floor jack, lift your gas tank up and hold it into position. Remove your 12mm bolt, allowing the tank strap to pivot down, then remove the cotter pin and the pin holding the tank strap up. Then take your TRD Off-Road tank strap, put it in position, put the pins back in, and then pivot it up and tighten your 12mm bolt. Do this for both tank straps.